Now that you know how to begin your video, we're gonna have a look at how to do different layers. Okay, so you're going to need a TV news set. So let's just see what we can find. As you can see, there are quite a few. I would recommend using some with already green screens on them, but if not, it's okay. You can make them work anyway. Okay, that one looks pretty neat. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Now I'm going to need a newsreader. I mean, if you can be yourself if you want to, but I know you're very shy, so it's okay. See, this one works. That's fine. Good. I'm just going to put it in here. Here. That's better. Okay, remember you can make it as long, okay, as your news. You can make a copy and put it next to it to make it longer. Okay. Now, as it stands now, what we see is image on top of another one. We see them in this order because that's the order you have here. You can add more video tracks if you wanted. Add a track. Just remember it appears on top. If I put this one on top, we wouldn't see the other one because it's smaller, okay? And it completely covers it. Now, this doesn't look really good. So what can we do? We can do a few things. So if we double click, okay, you have different options here, okay? Transform, so we can scale it, we can make it bigger or smaller, okay? That's a good thing we can do. You can move it around, you can flip it, you can rotate it, and you can animate it if you wanted to, okay? Colors, we can change anything you want. One of the most important ones is this one here. Select a color. You go here and select blue. And suddenly the blue disappears. What you're doing is color keying, okay? So that color disappears from that image. And now you can go back here. You can, I know it also has affected the desk, but that's okay, right? And if you want to make it smaller, you could, right? Whatever suits what you wanted, okay? That's really good. We're gonna save the changes. Yay, perfect. Now, this is where you're gonna put your images. So you're gonna go to My Media, you're gonna import it, okay? Since I don't have anything, because that's your job, I don't know, I'm just gonna write here penguin, because everyone likes penguins. Look, a video on penguins, that's really cool. All right, so, okay, now I need to reorganize all my layers now that I think about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this one on top, this one here. Okay. I can do two things. I could put this one on top as well and make it smaller and make it fit that green screen. But another thing I can do, I can color key the green. So I double click here again, click here, and make this invisible. And now what you're seeing is this penguin video. But again, it is too big. So I'm just going to make it smaller. There you are. See, I can put it like that. I can make it bigger. The good thing about doing it like that is that you never lose the frame of the TV. If you put it on top of it, if you don't do it perfectly, you could lose that frame. Okay? That way you don't. You never lose that frame that you have there. And there you go. And I save the changes. So I go to the top, I press play, and this is what you see. Okay? Now, next thing you would do is, of course, go to Media, Narrate, and basically just 3, 2, 1. This is a lovely video on penguins. Please enjoy. Sorry, you need to press stop first and then you have to OK it. That's perfect, it's recording. What's going on with the camera? Okay. This is my recording and it should automatically appear here as a voiceover. So you don't even have to drag it. It is already there, okay? And that's perfect. And then I press play. This is a lovely video on penguins. Please enjoy. Okay. And that's basically how you are to construct your TV sets to read your news articles.